This is Gina eating her pancake. Gina's 9 months old. Oh, she just threw it on the floor. Where did it go? The whole pancake's on the floor, Gina. Where'd it go? Oh, no! Oh, it's on the floor. How is it? I don't know, Jana. I don't know. What do you think? Pancake with peanut butter. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Look at your face. Look at your face. Look at your little hair sticking up. Amazing. You dropped it on the floor again. And you spat it out. What am I going to do with you, huh? Huh, cutie, cute, 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 cute. Ah, cutie. I know. No, no. Say goodbye, Gina.